Hey everyone, it's Faye and this is Day with Faye. Today I'm going to be doing some lip swatches from the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Collection of 2018. Timestamps are going to be in the description below for specific swatches, all that jazz. I got you guys. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I hope you're doing well and I would love for you to subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe it'll get you on the nice list. I'm just kidding. I don't have that kind of pull with Santa yet. Anyways, I got the Kissmas lip kit, this 4-piece lip collection set, and some mini lipsticks as well. In addition to this, I looked at my own personal collection and looked at similar swatches or swatches I thought you guys would want any comparisons to. So let's get cracking. First up, I'm gonna start with the mini lipstick collection. First of all, I'm a huge fan of the packaging. I love it. It's really cute. And I love that she came out with mini lipsticks that were all completely different. That's always why I shied away from the mini sets, because I was like, oh, I have 3 out of 6 of those, or oh, you know what I mean? But all of these are brand new shades, which is really exciting and I can't wait to show you. So let's open it up. Wow. I'm definitely excited about these colors. I'm terrified of these two. I'm always terrified about light colors on fair skin, but we finna find out how they look. So first up, we have Snowball. Snowball is a pale pink metallic. I think that this is a beautiful color. Honestly, like, it is a gorgeous, stunning color, but it is not really for my skin tone. But honestly, I would never buy this color for my skin tone. I think that this would be a gorgeous color on darker skin tones, absolutely. Anything ranging from like medium on, I think it would be gorgeous, just not on me. Maybe I could use it as a topper for something, but yeah, those are my thoughts. Next up, we're doing No Peeking. And No Peeking is a pale peachy nude velvet. At first I was like, this color is beautiful but way too light on my skin, and now I'm kind of low-key coming around. I think it can work for me. I don't know. Actually, can you guys tell me down in the comments below if you think this color is too light on fair skin? I'm still on the fence. Obviously it doesn't really go with like this outfit. I could see it if I had like intense eyeliner or if I had falsies on, then it would work, but I am curious to see how this compares to some of the peach colors I had. Next up is Sweater Weather, which is a warm pink matte. I love this color. I think this is a beautiful color. I'm definitely interested to see how it compares to my other pink mattes that I have chosen, and those swatch comparisons are going to happen at the end of the video, in case you're wondering, and those timestamps are in the description below. But I'm obsessed with this color, totally feeling it. I hope that it is different enough from the pink mattes that I do have, so stay tuned for that. But I think that this is a gorgeous color. I'm obsessed with her pinks. I think Kylie definitely does pink nudes right. Next up is Small Wonder. And Small Wonder is a warm rosy pink velvet. I am definitely loving this color as well. I like that it's kind of between like a nude but also vibrant. If that makes sense, like this is like a vibrant color that you could wear every single day. I think that this goes really well with my eye look, so I'm super pumped about that. And I'm excited to see the rest of the mini lip collection. So let's get to that. Next up we have December, which is a true red matte. You know what's funny is when I think of the month December, and if I were to make December into a lipstick, it would be this color. So definitely a perfect name for a perfect color. I'm obsessed with this red. It's insane. I can't wait to see how it compares to other reds of her collection that I do own. But nonetheless, I think this is a beautiful, beautiful like Santa color. And I think that I found the winner for what I'm gonna wear on Christmas Day. Next up I have Naughty is the New Nice, which is a metal. Naughty is the New Nice is a metallic rosy red. I am feeling this metallic red. I think it's beautiful. If I'm not mistaken, I don't think she has a metallic red like this. I think that it glides on smoothly. All right, so next up we have Under the Tree. And Under the Tree is a matte bright fuchsia. I love this color. I think that this is a beautiful, beautiful fuchsia. Again, I'm very interested to see how it compares to other purples that I have, and that will be at the end of the video. But I think this is an absolutely gorgeous shade and I can't wait to wear it more. All right, so last of the mini lip collection set is Hot Cocoa. And Hot Cocoa is a deep plum red map. Did I just say map? It's a matte. Okay, so this color is definitely very deep and dark and intense. But to be honest, I am growing to feel it. It's kind of like my favorite holiday, Halloween, mixed with the holiday seasons. So it's like a vampire and Santa had a baby, and this is what this lipstick turned out to be. All right, guys, that is it with the 8 mini lippies. Next up, we're gonna do the holiday 4-piece lip set. And first up is going to be Dream On, which is a metal, and it's a pink metallic liquid with gold glitter. So I think that this is honestly a beautiful color, but just like the first one of the mini lip kit, I just think that I don't have the right skin tone for this specific color, but unfortunately I don't think this looks that good on me. So on to the next. Next is Way Bae. I love that name. And Way Bae is a matte, and it is a mid-tone pink. I love this color so much. I think that it is beautiful. Again, super interested to see how this compares to the other pinks that I have in my collection. But I love this color. I think it's such a beautiful, cute color, and you know that I'm gonna be wearing this all the time. I think that this one is gonna be a permanent, if I had to guess. Maybe in the next year or two. we will see. All right, so next up we have Better Not Pout. These names are so sassy, I love it. Better Not Pout is a matte and it is a pinky berry. So I'm definitely feeling this color. Again, very interested to see how this compares to other colors that I do have because it's more red. It's not as dark as Hot Cocoa. All right, guys, now for our last one out of the 4-piece lip set, it is Slay My Name, Say My Name. I love this name, it's so funny. Slay My Name is a metal and it is berry with blue glitter. I definitely love this metal. I think it's so cute and unique, although I'm definitely interested to see how it compares to Dancer. But if I remember Dancer correctly, this is gonna be more purpley, I think. But I think this is a beautiful color, especially I think it would go well with fair skin. I will say I was very excited about that one. And that concludes our 4-piece lipstick collection. My last lip swatch that I have for you guys is Kissmas. And Kissmas is a matte liquid lipstick. And Kissmas is a neutral peach. If I could choose one word to describe my feelings towards Kissmas, it is obsession. I love this color so much. I think that dark nudes look beautiful on a lot of different skin tones, but especially I love how they look on fair skin tones. So I used to be scared of peach lipsticks, but now I embrace them. I love them for the most part. There definitely can be very light peaches for fair skin, absolutely. But I think this is such a beautiful, beautiful color. It kind of reminds me of gingerbread cookies. Hey guys, it's swatch comparison time. So first up, I'm going to swatch Snowball with Noel. So this is Snowball and this is Noel. As you can tell, Noel is definitely more gold and darker than Snowball. So I have Sprinkle, Under the Tree, and Say No More. So Sprinkle is obviously much more darker than these two. And Under the Tree and Say No More, I would say Say No More is more neon pink than Under the Tree, and Under the Tree is darker. So this is Slay My Name and this is Dancer. Dancer is obviously a lot darker and more burgundy than Slay My Name. I also want to say that if you guys have any swatch comparisons that you want from me that I did not do in this video, please comment down below and I will get that out to you as soon as I can. Thanks. So we have Mary Jo K, December, and Red Velvet. Red Velvet is definitely warm red compared to these two, whereas December and Mary Jo K are very, very similar. There is a slight difference. I would say that Mary Jo K is darker just a tad than December, and I would also say that Mary Jo K has more blue in it versus December. So if you have Mary Jo K, I would say you don't need to get December. Next up, I have Hot Cocoa and Mary, which is now Boujee. Now, I would say that Hot Cocoa is more purpley than Mary. Here are those colors close up. So for these three, I have Birthday Suit, No Peeking, and Exposed. Now, obviously Exposed is darker compared to all of these, so I'm just gonna ignore it. But between No Peeking and Birthday Suit, No Peeking has more peach and is lighter than Birthday Suit. Okay, so for these three, I have Kissmas, Strawberry Cream, and Sweater Weather. Now, they're pretty similar, but I would say Kissmas is darker and peachier out of these two. And I would say Strawberry Cream is more pale pink compared to these two. And finally, Sweater Weather is the darkest out of all three. So now I'm gonna focus my attention on these last four, which is Sweater Weather, Queen, Minnie, and Small Wonder. Small Wonder is definitely pinkier out of all four of these. And Minnie is darker out of these three. And between Queen and Sweater Weather, they're definitely similar, but I would say Queen is darker and Sweater Weather has more of a peachy element compared to the two. And lastly, I have Way Bae and Minnie. I wanted to see how this compared. It definitely seems that Way Bae is pinkier than Minnie. So that concludes my video. I hope that it was super informational for you guys. And if it was, give me a thumbs up. I always appreciate that. Well, I hope you guys have a really good rest of your day. And yeah, bye.